Today we are going to be playing a fun game, family game called Dunking.
We got this yesterday not yesterday, 2 days back from Carrefour, and we've been playing it like crazy, and it is so much fun. So
Yes,
we thought we will share with you people.
So let's open it up.
Oopsie!
It falls on with my hand.
It's okay.
So it comes with these two halves,
cylindrical
halves,
Which you have to join together.
and it comes with 21 sticks, 7 of each color and 8 of each color of balls, which is 24 balls together.
We have put them in one ziploc so we don't lose it, because Hamza plays. So to make sure that they don't get lost, we have put them in one ziploc so it's safe in one place. And what else? Yeah, so we have made it. You put it together, and then you will see there are holes in the middle.
So you insert the sticks inside the hole
Yeah.
and make sure
And
that
to
they're
make
not
it
that
stable,
much
we will be
sticks.
putting on a plate so all the balls which will fall down do not go away, running away somewhere else. off our
Okay.
table. Okay, guys. So
Okay, guys, when this game is finished, you fix it again.
oh,
When it started to
okay.
playing upwards.
So you have to put these sticks inside
inside.
these holes. You have to make sure that the structure which we are making with the sticks is strong enough. So when we put the balls on top of it, they do not fall. How do we play it? There's an instruction menu, instructions also inside. How do we play it? We make a structure of these sticks inside these holes. Then we put the balls on it, and one by one, each player has to take out a stick. If Hamza is going first, then we'll start from the left side of his, and then the person who has the least balls
will win
wins.
the game. Or if they have no balls at all.
Yeah, and this game is, I picked it up from Carrefour. It is from Kingso Toys, but there are other similar games also in other toy shops, so you guys can check it out. So let's get started with making these. Hamza, you want to help us?
Yes. I don't think I have sticks.
You can put the sticks randomly inside.
Yeah, you have to put it randomly, but make sure there are no
Those
big spaces
or else the
inside.
ball will fall
And
out.
this thing, you put all the sticks and then you put all the balls.
It takes a little time, but
That one.
it's fun after that.
And this game. Wow, yeah.
Okay.
We are
Now-
done putting the sticks inside, and
So
now we will
we'll
put the
see
balls.
if our structure is strong enough to put the balls in it or not.
I feel like doing practice. Plunk, plunk. It says here on this box, pick a stick and pull it out quick. With a bit of skill and a dash of spunk, you may keep the ball from going plunk.
Okay guys, we have put the balls inside and we're taking a bowl each, so whoever gets the balls, we'll put them inside
So they
so
don't
it's
run
easier.
away.
Yes. Another interesting thing is,
If you touch a color stick, like if I touch this red stick, I have to take it out. You cannot change your mind again.
okay, so let's get started. Who's going first? Hamza, are you going first or after
No,
you
you.
go first? Me? Okay. Oh, that's full. Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Oh, no.
Thank you.
Revolve around.
You will get them no matter how much you try.
One ball.
Ooh, lucky. So I think, Hamza, wait, whose turn is it?
Your turn.
Okay, I don't want it. Why me? It always happens with me.
No, what?
Yay!
Ball.
Okay, Hamza, your turn.
Your turn. Oh, my turn. Ooh. My turn.
No.
One.
And Hamza gets it. So
I-
guys,
I got
the balls
three.
are finished.
I got 3 and I win.
I'm
got
the
three.
loser.
Me and Hamza have a tie. We
And
both
we-
got 3.
We are.
So guys, now we're playing another game of Plunk, and this time we are playing it with a twist. Happy, what's the twist?
And the twist is that the last person, like I am first, and if Mama is last, then she will be telling us what color stick we have to choose. Like if she says green, we all have to take the color green, and this will keep on going until all the balls are finished. So let's play. Who's going first and who's going last?
I go last and Hamza goes first. So I will tell the color. Hamza, take out the color green. I will be the one who will be blessed with the ball again. I told you! Not it! Not it!
Again!
Yes, again! Now, Happy, you tell the color. Happy! Hamza, put your hands down so you'll fall. No, why? Excuse me. Now your turn.
Okay, I want to take out the color green.
Green, Hamza, your turn.
Okay, now my turn.
Your turn?
No, your turn.
Yeah.
Oh no. 4, 5. I think I'm tied with Hamza.
Okay, now you say the color? No, Hamza, you will say the color.
Green and yellow.
No, one color.
Green.
Green, but there's only one green, so you can say red because there are more of reds.
Yes.
It's okay. Red.
Red? Okay. No, it's my turn. I will go first.
Okay, I go first.
Yeah, I did the best one.
I'm a winner.
Okay, now there are 3 sticks left. So whose turn is this now?
I did my turn right now, so it's your turn.
It's my turn, so we take out any stick. Which
Yes, because there are 3 colors left.
Yes. Oh my god. I love that because
Mama's going to
I
get.
can.
Take out both colors.
No, I'll try this one.
Thank God. Sitting.
One ball.
Okay,
So
so
Hamza
let's
gets
count.
one and Muzena gets one. So I have 5 balls. Let's count Hamza. No.
I have
Count.
6 balls.
Put them here and count. Put them one by one.
And 13.
So I am
the
second
And I
place.
am the winner.
Good job.
And I'm also a winner.
Yes. Okay, guys. So this is a lot of fun game, and we would really recommend you guys that if you're looking for some fun family games, do go and grab this one or anything similar to this. I think there's another game which is called Kerplunk by Metal Company, if I'm not
And
wrong.
I'm going to get another
It's
game.
similar to this. It's same.
And I'm going
Is
to
it?
get
Same as
another
this
game
one.
before when you start to do coloring now. It's coloring time.
It's coloring time. Okay.
But before that, please leave a like to our video if you haven't done that yet, and subscribe, share, and ring the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video if you haven't done that yet. And also, same for, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Allah Hafiz.
And
Bye.
bring a big thumbs up and then bye.